Hi guys, welcome back to High Yield Intraday Trading. I hope every one of you is doing good. So we all must have heard something called as delivery percentage, isn't it? Now, okay, but before that, before we start with today's topic, let me request you all to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also to make sure to press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, you get the notification about the same. Also, by the end of this video, you will be seeing many other details about HYIT. Please do have a look as it might be helpful to you in some way or the other. Details like my Telegram channel, both the free one and the premium ones, details about the training programs, etc. etc. Okay, so delivery percentage, what is it exactly? Now, the normal thought process when someone hears about delivery percentage is that if the delivery percentage is more for a particular stock, or if the delivery percentage is increasing for a particular stock, then this means that the investors or the institutions or the biggies or whatever you want to call them, they are actually putting in their money, as a result of which the price of that particular stock might go up, right? But unfortunately, this is wrong. And why am I saying that this is wrong will be explained by me in a while. Okay, now delivery percentage is very much used by both investors and traders. Okay, now investors are the guys who invest their capital in long term trades like positional trading, and the traders are the guys who are into day trading or intraday trading. Okay, so delivery percentage is a very important data, but the question is, are we reading it properly? Or are we understanding it clearly so that we can take our trading decisions based on delivery percentage? Okay, so before we move on, let me show you something. Okay, let's get on to the Money Control website. This is the homepage of Money Control website. You click on news, you click on markets, and here you will see something as trade setup for Monday. Why is it saying Monday? Is because the next trading session is on Monday, that is 2nd of December. Okay, similarly by Monday evening 7 or 7:30, this will read as trade setup for Tuesday. Okay, so Money Control gives you a lot of information about the market for the next trading day. Okay, so if you click on this link, you will see a whole lot of information, a lot of information about Nifty, about Bank Nifty, about Sensex, about calls, puts, FII, DI data. So many things are there. Okay, now my request is we need to concentrate on delivery percentage. We are not discussing anything about any other thing that we see on this page. Okay, the scope of this video is just delivery percentage. So we will stick back to just delivery percentage. Okay, so as you can see here, it's written that stocks with a high delivery percentage. So what does it mean? A high delivery percentage suggests that investors are showing interest in the stocks. So for example, Power Grid was having a delivery percentage of 84.31%. Godrej CP was having a delivery percentage of 69.43%, so on and so forth. Okay, so what are these percentages? How can we break them up to read the data? Okay, is this video is all about it. Okay, so now coming back to the delivery percentage. Okay, first thing first, we need to know what delivery percentage actually is. Okay, so let's say for example, for a particular stock, the delivery percentage is showing as 40%. Now, what does it mean? What it means is only 40% of the volumes that got traded on that particular day were actually taken back home. When I say taken back home, what I mean is taken back to the demat account. So, what happened to the rest 60%? The rest 60% was just intraday speculations. That speculation was created by intraday traders, by scalpers, by anybody who is into intraday trading or day trading. Okay, so this is how you read the data. Okay, now to understand it more clearly, let's take the example of DHFL. Okay, I'm giving the example of DHFL because I remember 21st September 2018 very clearly, as I gave a sell recommendation in intraday trading, and just after 4 to 5 minutes of me giving the sell recommendation, DHFL slided for around 300 to 315 or 20 points, At that time, DHFL was trading at 600 or 650 rupees, and it fell 300 or 320 points the same day. Okay, so let's get on to the charts. I'll explain you there. Okay, so this was the day. This long red candle that you see was 21st September 2018, and it fell big time. Okay, now the first thing is, how do I find out the delivery percentage for DHFL on 21st September 2018? For that, you need to go to the NSE India site. Okay, this is the homepage of NSE India. On the top, you see a search box. Just type in DHFL or any other stock for which you want to find the data. Okay, click on it, and it will give you this data. Now, the data that you see here is for last Friday, that is 29th November 2019. But we want the data for 21st September 2018. So what do you need to do? You go to historical data, click here, enter the symbol DHFL, select series, you need to select equity, EQ, and we are just looking out for one day. Okay, so it's September 21st, 2018, which was a Friday. So we will keep the range same, 21st September 2018, and we click on get data. So this is the data which came up. Now listen to it very carefully. You see something called as total traded quantity, right? Now what does it mean? Total traded quantity is nothing but the volume. The volume for DHFL on 21st September 2018 was 11 crores 52 lakhs 98,628. Let's round it up to 11 crores. Okay, for easier discussion. Okay, so on 21st September 2018, DHFL was having a volume of 11 crores. Out of those 11 crores of volume, the delivery percentage was just 18.30%. What it means is only 18.30% was taken back home. Now, what happened to the rest 21.70%? The rest 21.70% was just intraday speculation. Okay, now this is how you read the data. Okay, now 18.30% is not such a big number in terms of delivery percentage. Okay, if you ask me what is the hard and fast rule for knowing a good number for delivery percentage, to be frank, we don't have any such hard and fast number. But according to my experience, what I've seen is if the delivery percentage is anything greater than 45 to 50%, you can consider that to be a good delivery percentage number. Okay, so let's take the help of Reliance in this case. Okay, same day, 21st September 2018. You can see the date at the bottom of the window, right? This is Reliance. This is the one-day chart. Okay, so let's get back to NSE India and let's try fetching the data for Reliance. And this is the data. Okay, Reliance on 21st September 2018 was having a volume of 1 crore 90 lakhs 70,172. Let's round it up to 1 crore. Okay, so on 21st September 2018, Reliance was having a volume of 1 crore. Out of that 1 crore volume, the delivery percentage was 55.14%. Let's round it up to 55%. So what happened to the rest 45%? The rest 45% was just intraday speculation. Okay, so as I said earlier, if the delivery percentage is above 45 to 50%, we can consider that to be a good delivery percentage. Now, the main question comes in. Since I see that the delivery percentage of Reliance is 55%, can I define a summary or can I draw a line that I should take a long position in Reliance because in the future it will go up? This is the main question. And as I already told you, the answer to this question is a straight no. Just by seeing this 55% of delivery percentage, you cannot decide that Reliance will go up further. Okay, if I get you, if I take you back to the charts, this is the day, 21st September 2018, the delivery percentage was 55%. And according to the normal public, normally the people who are not so knowledgeable, they will think that Reliance will go up and they will take a long position. So they take a long position for 3 to 4 to 5 days. It went up and then it fell big time. Okay, so we need to be careful. We need to be very, very careful. Okay, so I hope you are clear on this part. Okay, now getting on to the second part of it. Does delivery percentage means that only the institutions are into it and nobody else is involved in those deliveries? The answer again to this question is a no. There are also others who are involved in these deliveries. Who are they? Those guys are the arbitrages. Now, what is the arbitrage? Arbitrage is nothing but you buy in the cash market and you sell in the futures market. So basically, when you see a high delivery percentage, like for example, in Reliance, we saw it to be 55%, it does not necessarily mean that all the people who are a part of this delivery are bullish on the stock. They can also be bearish on the stock. Okay, so it is not always the fact that only the institutions are responsible for the delivery percentage. We also have the arbitrages who are responsible for the delivery percentages. Okay, now another important question comes in. So, is there a way wherein we can know by seeing the delivery percentage that in which direction the stock might move in future? Well, according to me, it would be very difficult, and frankly I don't have a break for this. Okay, because when we see delivery percentage we just see a number. Okay, for example, in Reliance it was 55%, and we do not know how that number is divided or distributed among the institutions and the arbitrages. Okay, so it's really difficult, and the main scope of this video is to make you all understand what delivery percentage is, and that you should not look at it only on a buying perspective. Okay, and trust me, there is much more to this. Okay, if I want I can keep speaking for hours together about this topic, but amongst them, the things that we have discussed in this video are important. Okay, and that is what matters. So I hope this helps, guys. There are many hypes and speculations that run around the market, and it's very important for us to know how exactly does a particular thing work. Okay, so that based on that we can take our trading decisions. Yeah. So learning is the key. You see it, right? So you have to learn stuffs, you have to know stuffs. Okay, so that's it, guys, and as always would request you all to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also please do not miss the ending of this video, as you will get to know more about HYIT, some other details about HYIT that might be helpful to you. And please feel free to ask your questions or queries if you have any in the description section. Sorry, in the comments section, and I will surely answer back to them. Okay. And also, please do not forget to like the video if you liked it. Okay, I'm really sorry because it took some, as it took normally a longer time to make this video, but I mean, I cannot help it because the explanations had to be given. Okay, so it took a bit longer, but I hope you understand. Okay, so that's all from my end, guys, and I will see you all later. Hope you all will stick back. Happy trading. Bye bye.